Hello and welcome to Midland Monsell Model Railway, the L&MR for short. Hello, what you see in front of you is a night mail set R1144. I'll bring the Loco into shot in a few moments, but this is the basic. That's where you can see where the mail bags get stored. They fall out very easily. That's, I think it's called the catcher, that's where they fall into. And this is the, I think it's called the pickup. You can see there's a very fine little hook there to show you like that. But I've never managed to get this to work properly. What you've got on the track, you're supposed to fix this, but I think that piece is slightly broken. So you've got, I think this is what it's supposed to look like. Something like this. See there's a metal, very thin piece of metal there, that's like acting like a spring. And then you get two of these. So like this one's slightly broken, so why it's never been able to work. See that's a piece of metal what's supposed to go in this. This piece of metal go into this bit of plastic and make it all springy, but it's broken. And then both of these fix into, you can't put it into a curve, but only a straight piece of track. Now I'll bring the Loco into shot. That's the Loco, the LMS 7. That's slightly in the way. Number 7414. Now that's the carriage. This is the most important piece of it. Now, as you can see, you've got these two little doors here. I'll unhook it just to show you what the tricks are underneath it are. Now you see, the reason why you got this what activates these, but these two little pushers. If I just show you, if you can you see, if I see the nearest one does the top one. You can see there's two of them. See, the nearest one does the top one, and the furthest one does the bottom one. You can see that it's solid there, because that's where it will have to come around the other side. One not going to work too well because this is on the curve, it's supposed to be on the straight, but maybe. See, as it opens, that's what, as I said, this what activates that little push on the bottom, and as it comes past, it swipes, and it does that, you see, and it falls in. I've done that in like slow motion time, if you like. And then this is why you get two of these, and then what you've got this little catcher. I'll swap these around. See, and then if this was on the other one of these, or on the track, so what would happen? See, this is now falling to the bottom compartment, and as it comes past, see there's a hole in there, you see. Oh, it didn't quite fall in, but as it goes past, it's supposed to fall in and land in that catcher there, you see, like that. So I think you get the idea, but that's the principle of it. But as I said, I've never been able to get it to work properly. Shame, because it looks quite fun. I'll do a link to Barrie Davis' video. I think on his video he's got the night mail, he's got about 15-20 different versions of these, and he'll explain it, and he'll explain all the different versions that he's got, and I think he can actually show you properly. But anyway, I can't show it in action. Well, I've just done it like in slow action, if you like, but I can show you my other mail train I've got. Here is my other mail carriage. Recognise it? Yes, it's from the rocket. I'll read you a bit about it. Upon the opening of the L&MR in 1830, an arrangement was made to carry mail on the railway. A Royal Mail Coach would be placed on the end of a passenger train, with a guard seated higher on the special seat at the back of the coach. And that's the guard just there, keeping a watchful eye on the cargo. So I presume that was the cargo there. Maybe there was be something inside as well, perhaps. This was the first specific design mail coach to be used on a railway, beginning a long association between the railway and the mail. The mail coach represented the highest class of travel offered on the L&MR. Tickets for the mail coach were charged at a premium above the price of a normal first class ticket due to the superior furnishing and additional space, with the coach seating 4 passengers per compartment compared to the usual 6 in other first class carriages. The exterior of the coach was painted in colours matching the Royal Mail road coach of the time. So basically all they've done, here's a flatbed wagon, so they're all the same. If you notice, see, that's where the buffer is, and there's a very long piece of metal, and there's the other end. So they're all like this, and all they've done, like for the first class carriage, they've built it up, they put this bit on top of it, and they put, make it all luxurious, and then with doors and windows. But with the third class, it's basically like a plank wagon where they've made it look slightly better than the wagon. There's not even any seats inside, they're actually standing. They've painted it, make it look nice, and trying to put maybe gold handles on it, maybe perhaps, or silver. Those are like 3 doors there, so there's like compartments, so they've got 3 different compartments there. Then with the Royal Mail, they made it even more luxurious. You've got guard and made it all really lovely looking, even better than first class. Said, like, you know, so all basically a flatbed wagon. It's depending on what they've put on top of this flatbed wagon, either like a mail coach, a third class wagon, if you like, or first class. So the base is all the same. It's just what they put on top, or if they left it like that, it means they just put like luggage or whatever they wanted, and then maybe they put some sort of tarpaulin over it, maybe perhaps, or they tied it down with rope, stopping it all from coming off. So let's give it all a few laps around my circuit to see what we've got. The LMS number 7414 pulling the night mail carriage. We've also got the rocket, going through the tunnel, also pulling a Royal Mail carriage. Hello, what's this? Got another rocket here. Bit strange. And we've got 2 rockets. This one's just a normal rocket, just pulling a flatbed wagon and third class carriage. Going up JJ's corner slope. Past the other rocket and into the tunnel. You kind of get the idea, and that was the LMS. Stopping at the station. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you like my little Royal Mail Carriage, a little bit history type video thing. Please like and subscribe without passing by. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.